boys and girls. We are going to start our lesson. It's time for Saxon Phonics Lesson 93. Or you need to have out your Lesson 93 ABC order. You can put your name on the ABC order page and eyes up here. Alright, so I realized yesterday exactly how hard it was to see your standards, so I put them up here so we can see them a little better. So our standard says to know and apply our grade level phonics skills to decode words, like knowing the difference between short and long vowels. Alright, knowing our vowel teams, those mean your digraphs. Decoding regularly spelled two-syllable words with long vowels. Knowing our prefixes and suffixes. So far we've learned suffixes. We will get to some prefixes soon. Identify words with common spelling, sound, correspondences that is inconsistent. That means rule breakers. So we've learned lots of rule breakers this year. We learned all of these to become a better reader. Better reader. Alright, so also today in your lesson in a separate video, you are going to read City Mouse and Country Mouse. It is going to focus on the standard of decoding two-syllable words. And when you decode, some will be short vowel words, some will be the long vowel words once you decode. Alright, now today we're going to start out by putting these words in ABC order. Alright, we have different types of meat. Let's read them. Mutton, do you guys remember what that is? Sheep. Chicken. Turkey, pork, deer, beef, catfish. All right, you are going to think about the procedure we've been using to put words in ABC order. You will underline your guide letters. Use these numbers to help you number the order they would go in ABC order. I want you to pause the video until you are ready to check it. Alright. So let's check your work. Alright, if you look at the first letter as your guide letter, you'll notice it will work for every word except for chicken and catfish because they both begin with C. So you have to go to the second letter. Chicken is CH. So when you get to the C's, you'll look at the H. And in catfish, you'll have to look at the A. Alright, let's put them in ABC order. Starting with your first guide letter. Is there an A? No. B? Yes, beef. C. There are two C words. Alright, so we have to look at the second guide letter. We have A and H. What comes first in the alphabet? H or A? The A does. So we put a 2 by catfish and a 3 by chicken. Now we can keep going. After C is D. Do we have a D word? Deer. After D is E. No. F. No. G. No. H. No. I. No. J. No. K. No. L. No. M. Yes. Mutton. After M, N. No. O. No. P. Yes, pork. So our last word is turkey. Check your work. All right, let's go to our lesson today. So for today, you had your ABC order page. We've already used it. You'll flip the page, put your name on your review words and sight word page, and then after it, we will have our practice page. Don't forget to practice spelling list 18. Your test will be on Friday. You have a link to Spelling City for it. All right, review cards. Get ready to name the letters. Digraph AY. Digraph OA. Combination IR. Final stable syllable TION. Digraph EA. Digraph AW, trigraph DGE, final stable syllable PLE, digraph AU, trigraph IGH, digraph AI, trigraph TCH, vowel Y, diphthong OI, final stable syllable DLE, diphthong OY, I, consonant E, combination ER, A, consonant E, digraph OO, combination AR, affix cards. Let's review some suffixes added to a root word to change its meaning. Suffix ly. Remember, we see these on a lot of our adverbs that tell you how something happens. Suffix ist. A person who does something. A cartoonist is a person who draws cartoons. Suffix est will tell you the most when comparing 3 or more things. The bread is the freshest of all. est. A person who does something, like a farmer is a person who farms, or comparing 2 or more things. He is shorter than me. Sight word cards. Read the fast way. Whose, guess, should, every, finally, enough, strange, country, early, stranger, change, I, something, earth, listen, learn, heard, ocean, animal, many, several, young, question, government, island, America. Together. Answer, pull, once, usually, trouble, people, from, goes, friend. Our review words. Let's practice spelling some words today. The painting has a flaw or mistake in it. Flaw. Listen to the sounds you hear. L, ah. Again. L, ah. Flaw. Spell flaw. F-L-A-W. Flaw. A-U is in the initial position. A-W in the final. Miss Byers forgot to go over her keyword pictures. Let's do those first. Straw. Digraph A-W. Ah. Just like in flaw. That's what reminded me. Get ready? Faucet, digraph A-U, ah. Soap, digraph O-A, O. Lotion, digraph T-I-O-N, shun. Alright, number 2. Let's spell mention. Mention. We didn't mention doing that. Mention. Listen to the sounds. John. Mention. Mention. M-E-N-T-I-O-N. Mention. Mention. Check your work. Number 3. Cupful. Cupful. I have a cupful of soda. Cupful. All right, tell me the sounds that you hear. First thing, let's think about the word cupful. What do we have? A suffix. What suffix do we have? Full. What's the root word? Cup. All right, let's sound out the word cup. Get ready. And the suffix is full. Put it together and we get cupful. All right, write the word cupful on number 3. Let's spell it. C-U-P-F-U-L, cupful. number 4. Sight words, funny words. Stranger. Stranger. My mom taught me not to talk to a stranger. Write it on number 4. Stranger. Let's spell stranger. S-T-R-A-N-G-E-R. What word? Stranger. Stranger. Number 5. Whose. Whose. I don't know whose keys these are. Keys. Whose. I'm going to use the wrong word. Whose. Now let's spell it. A-W-H-O-S-E. Whose. Number 6. Country. Country. The country mouse liked living in his comfy home. Country. Spell it on number 6. Country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. Check your work. All right, when you're ready, pencils are down. Eyes watching, ears listening. Echo these words and listen for a sound they all have in common. Echo me. Ball, stall, fall. One more time. Ball, stall, fall. What sound do they all have in common? Yes, we hear aw as the vowel, right? They do have the ul at the end, but they all have the vowel sound aw. Now let's look at these words. Ball, stall, fall. They actually all have all in them, right? But we hear aw in the medial position. All right, what letter is making the aw sound? All, all, all. It's the A. That's right, the A is making that sound. All right, now, when the letter A comes before an L, it often has the short O sound. We will code the A that sounds similar to short O with 2 dots. Let me show you how to code it. We're going to put 2 dots right over the top of it. Just like that. To show that it has the O sound, the ah sound. Alright, when you hear the ah sound before final L in a one-syllable word, it will follow the floss rule. And the L will be doubled, like in these words. Alright, the problem will be knowing if it's an A or an O. So these words are irregular or funny words. Okay? Alright, so let's look at your new card for this sound. Alright, it is still the letter A. So what will you say? A. A can make more than one sound. Alright guys, what is this? This is a wallet. Say that word for me. Wallet. Or the wallet is usually what a gentleman carries his money in. His license. Here we have a brown one. It's the same thing. We code it with the 2 dots because the A makes the ah sound in wallet. So say it with me. Wallet. We're going to call this letter, let's see what we actually call it. I'm sorry guys. We still just call it A. And it's just one of the sounds of A. Making sure we didn't have another fancy name. Alright. Wallet. A. Ah. Say it with me again. Wallet. A. Ah. One more time. Wallet. A. Ah. Your turn. Wallet. A. Ah. Yes. Wallet. A. Ah. And remember, either one, you still have the wallet that makes the ah sound of the letter A. So now we know that A can say the short name, A, the long name, A, and it can say this name followed by L, ah, like in wallet. Alright, now let's practice using the short O sound of A. Number 7, fall. Fall. Please be careful and don't fall on the sidewalk. Fall. Tell me the sounds you hear in fall. Get ready. Ah, ooh, fall. Think about that floss rule. Alright, let's spell it. F-A-L-L. What word? Fall. Remember, it's at the end, so we double the consonant. Number 8. Also. I also want an ice cream, Mom. Also. Tell me the sound you hear in also. Get ready. Ah, ooh, s, o, also. Spell it on number 8. also, let's spell it. A-L-S-O, also. And number 9, always. Always. You should always brush your teeth. Always. Tell me the sounds you hear in always. Get ready. A, U, W, A, S. Always. Always. Okay, always. A-L-W-A-Y-S. Always. And you guys know you normally learn also and always as sight words because this sound of A is irregular. It's funny, and they're usually considered sight words. All right, at the bottom of your page today, read the words and spell them out loud to someone. You have the whole back side to practice today writing sentences. So you can practice writing sentences, letting someone check you at home. Don't forget your capital letters, your spacing, and your end marks. All right, we're ready to practice your coding and reading passages down at the bottom. So turn to worksheet 93, put your name at the top. All right, guys, first word. What do we have? Find something to write with. Okay, we have E-A, digraph E-A. We've got to figure out what sound. All right, that is a vowel. We also have a vowel here. So we know it is a vowel, consonant, vowel pattern. All right, if it's vowel, consonant, vowel, and we have digraph EA, where are we going to divide? It's long after your vowel. And now we can sound it out. Easy. What word? Easy. That word was easy to code. Easy. And number 2. What do we have? We have A followed by L, so we need to put the 2 dots over our A. All right, what else do we need? Okay, back on that C. All right, let's sound it out. All, what word? Call. I will call you later. Call. Our number 3. I see 2 vowels. Let's figure out our vowel pattern. We have a vowel, consonant, vowel. All right, we've got to figure out where to divide. Do we need this A to say its name? Let's do A, say laid. Let's try the A. Salad. Does that make sense? Yes, so if we need it to be a short vowel, where will we divide it? After the consonant. Alright, and we have a picture of the salad. Number 4. A, consonant E. Okay, back. Now sound it out. Cane. What word? Cane. Like a walking cane. Number 5. What do we have? Final stable syllable, B-L-E. Accents on the first syllable. We have digraph E-E. Now let's sound it out. Feeble, feeble. All right, number 6. A followed by L. Let's put our 2 dots over our A.